Welcome friends, welcome to Goenkar Pond once again with me Suraj Nandrekar. Today we are continuing our series of interviews on politics in the run up to the 2022 assembly elections. When you talk of politics, how can you keep away the Kalangut MLA and Minister for Waste Management Michael Lobo? He has been grabbing headlines these days after he announced that his wife would be contesting elections from Shioli constituency. This, of course, has not gone well with the BJP High Command and the leadership in Delhi as well as Goa. He was recently summoned to Delhi, wherein Goa in charge Devendra Fadnavis and BJP's Mota Bhai, Mr. Amit Shah, spoke to him at length. And the discussion was mainly because of his announcement about his wife's candidature. Michael has said that his wife is independent. She is a serving politician and she has every right to take her own decisions. To discuss all these things and to know why he wants his wife to contest and what are his future plans, let's talk to him today at his residence in Parra. Welcome to the show, Michael Bab. It's been great hearing from you. You have been all over these days in the news. You were in Delhi to meet the BJP's Mota Bhai along with Devendra Fadnavis. What exactly is happening in Goan politics right now?
Lot of speculations are there. Speculations were there and are there. Speculations were there that leaders are moving. And it has come true that our senior leader of the Congress party, Luisin Bab Falero, has said various, he spoke about so many different things that I am being sidelined, this is done, that is done. I've consulted my workers, my neighbors, and then he shifted. He resigned as a MLA of Goa Legislative Assembly and he shifted to TMC, saying that Congress has become weak. We have also seen a lot of other leaders being approached by the national parties, by the local parties, and some of them are going to take a decision, some of them have refused, some of them have said wait and watch, a lot of things. And in that, I was also called to Delhi by our Honorable Home Minister and ex-BJP President. And he spoke about the political scenario in the state of Goa. And in our discussion, he said that there are rumors that you also want to leave and join some other political party. I said these are only rumors. Last election also, these rumors were there, and I stayed back in the party and we formed the government. Now leaders are moving, people are there only. गोइंचे लोक तिंगात आहा, leader moves आता.
No, but Michael Bab, the whole thing, I think your Delhi visit and all, it was majorly because you announced that your wife is going to contest from Shioli. Now, do you think the controversy is uncalled for, or you think you are going to leave because she is not going to get the party ticket?
See, question of me leaving does not arise. Question of she contesting election is her own independent decision. And when I say independent decision, is she is working on daily basis in the neighboring constituency.
Yeah.
As that particular panchayat is the boundary of our village, and we go there on daily basis. My wife travels that side on daily basis to visit people to get their work done. And since people are unhappy, लोक खूपशे खुश ना, गेली 25 वर्सां जाली काम त्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जावंक ना. बेजीक वस्तू रोड आसूं, उदक आसूं, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आसूं, हे 3 वस्तू जे आमी बेजीक म्हणटात ते आजुनी सारके मेळोंक ना. कोस्टल बेल्टाक हेजे मोठे प्रॉब्लम आसा. इवन आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आसले आमी थिंगा व्हडलो सब स्टेशन घालपाचें काम चालू आहा. आतां लोकांचो डिमांड आहा की भिलायला लोबन बसचें. हांव पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचो आमदार आहा, मंत्री आहा, हांवें तिका स्टॉप करूंक जायना.
We all
हे आदी ती इलेक्शनाक बसपाक आसली सालिगांव आनी आज गेल्या फावटी तेणें सॅक्रिफायस केलें. मनोहरभाई पर्रीकर जेन्ना आमच्या घरा येयलो इलेक्शना 3 म्हयने पयलीं आनी सांगलें तिका की तूं ह्या फावटी कळ काड, आपूण फुडल्या फावटी तुका 100% बसयतलो. आपूण तुका एक सांगता, तूं काम कर, तुका नक्की लोक जिखोन हाडटले. सो ते हितून ते रावले, काम केलें नेबरींग कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन. आयज टायम येयल्लो आहा ते बसपाक आनी तेणें डिसिजन घेतला की आपूण इंडिपेंडंटूच बसतले.
Did you tell the BJP High Command that
No,
Parrikar
no.
had promised you about this?
The caution only does not arise as this particular discussion only जावंक ना. हे डिस्कशन जे आहा भिलायला शोले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन बसपाचें, हे डिस्कशन आमचे दिल्ली विजिटान येवंक ना. आमी 35 मिनिट्स तेजे कडेन उलयले आमच्या लिडरा कडेन. तें डिस्कशन येवंक ना. आनी फडणवीस बाब जेन्ना गोंया येयलो तेका जेन्ना आमी आमचे भासाभास जाताली तेका आमी सांगलें आनी आमचे बायलेनूय सांगलें तेका की आय एम कॉन्टेस्टिंग फ्रॉम शिवोलीम कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. इट शूड नॉट बी अ हर्डल फॉर द पार्टी और इट शूड नॉट बी अ टसल फॉर माय हजबंड because he is already in BJP. I am not asking for the ticket. हे तेजे डिसिजन.
No, but
ते तिकेट मागिना. हिंगा इशू कितें आहा, तिकेट दोन मागता जाल्यार इशू आहा. तिकेट मागिना.
so she is ready to contest independent.
आमी कलांगुटान बसता आमचे पार्टीचे, ते इंडिपेंडंट बसतात. प्रश्न ते ना. आता
Okay.
फाल्यां जर तर पार्टीन डिसायड केलें की आमी तिकेट दिता, ती दुसरी गजाल.
But if she is elected, is she going to support the BJP government?
That is up to her. I cannot force her to support the BJP government or Congress government or TMC government or any other government which will form the government.
Sir, all this is understood. We understand she is into politics. She is a serving Sarpanch of Parra. But when this is, why does she want to contest only from Shiolim?
I am telling you again. गेल्या पावटी ते सालिगांव बसपाक.
No, because no, I am asking this question because her panchayat comes in Kalangut constituency.
Yeah.
So why does she want to cross the constituency and go somewhere else?
It is our neighboring constituency. आमची पार्रा विलेज आणि वेल्ला काणका. आम्ही तेंका PVC म्हणटा, पार्रा वेल्ला काणका. इट्स नॉट डिफरंट. आता लोक जो तर तेका म्हणटा तू बसनाका ते बसचे ना. लिडर्स जो तर तेका म्हणटा तेका तू बसनाका ते बसचे ना. हे आता डिसिजन जे आहा हे तुका फुडल्या म्हयन्यान यू कॅन टेक हर ओन इंटरव्यू and you can ask this question because she is independent. She's taken her own decision and then she told me that she's contesting election.
But
And she's been approached not through me. माझे उद्देशी न्हू. तेका अप्रोच डायरेक्ट जाल्ले आहा. त्या वाठारांतले लोक, त्या वाठारांतले बारीक बारीक लिडर जे आहा, ते सरपंच आसूं, वॉर्ड मेंबर आसूं, एक्स सरपंच आसूं, एक्स ZP आसूं, हे लोक तेका येवन मेवल्ले आहा आनी सांगलेले आहा की तूं इलेक्शनाक बसशी जाल्यार आमी तुका निवडून हाडटले. तूं खंयचे टिकेटीर बस.
so you very well know that dynastic politics and family raj doesn't work in BJP. So why?
See, हांव तुका इतलेंच सांगता की I am contesting and I'm a sitting MLA for the 2 times. I'm going to contest for the 3rd time. My wife is contesting independent. That has got nothing to do. आता हांव मानतलो आसलो ते काम कांयच करिना. ते घरा आसता काम करिना. तेजें काम तूं पळय, गेलीं 15 वर्सां जालीं, एकदां ते आन ऑपोजीट पासून जिखोन येयला. इट्स नथींग बिकॉज ऑफ मी, बिकॉज शी इज वर्किंग. You must see her work, what she is doing in this way. You ask anybody. So she wants to join the state politics. She wants to contest the state assembly election. That is her own decision. And I feel that every individual today, as on today, has got every right to contest, whether it is husband, wife, whether it is father, son. आमी गोंयान पयल्लें आहा, विश्वजीताचो डॅडी आहा, बाबुशाची बायल आहा, ती काम करता म्हणून जिखोन येता. द क्वेश्चन ओनली डज नॉट अरायज ऑफ somebody saying that this is dynasty politics, this is family raj. अशें कांय ना. फॅमिली राज जाल्यार लोक आमकां घरा धाडटले.
The thing is, now as per your answers, you said that there is a problem in Shioli of water, electricity, road. Michael, don't you think these problems also exist in your constituency? Because
Everywhere.
there is no water in Kalangut for a long time. There is a problem of electricity. The roads are bad, as we have mentioned already. The Baga road is in bad condition. So why do you think
you have to see that entire Baga road is not in bad condition? You can come with me today and see. There are 3 patches where the soil has sunk because of the manholes. The soil has sunk because of the manholes, and these are completely related to sewerage network. The sewerage network, आमचे constituency आसूं, म्हापसा constituency, this was tendered work by the earlier government. Work order issued during our government. The work has been carried out by entire laying of the pipeline, but म्हापसाय जावंक चालू, कलंगुटूय जावंक चालू, एल्सवेरय जावंक चालू. हे जायकाचें काम 100 कोटी घातल्या, म्हणजे नियरली अराउंड 200-250 crores घातलेले आहा हे प्रोजेक्टान, पण अजूनय तेजो सक्सेस म्हणटा पळय तो रेट मेळोंक ना.
Yeah. What about water and electricity? Water is, you have been saying this for last 10 years, Michael. I've known that water will be solved. Electricity will be solved.
उदकाचे प्रॉब्लेम आमी कितलेय म्हणो अशें करीत जाल्यार जातलें, तशें करीत जाल्यार कांय जायना. तें वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन घालचो पडटलो. जी तिलारीची पायपलायन येयल्या तितूनसून उदक घेवन रॉ वॉटर ट्रीट करून सप्लाय करचें पडटलें. तेजो टेंडर जाल्लो आहा, तेजो गव्हर्मेंटाक फायल केल्या फॉर टू इश्यू एक्सपेंडिचर सँक्शन. ते जाल्या उपरांत वर्क ऑर्डर जातली.
I'm actually deviating from my agenda of politics today. As you have answered, so why this water electricity has been happening for a long time? What exactly is hampering this water issue? Why there is no water?
We are getting water from Asnara water treatment plant. Asnara water treatment plantaंसून जे उदक कोस्टल बेल्टाक येता, ते जी पायपलायन येता ती 7 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक सप्लाय करता, 7 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी. आयज वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट रेडी जाला पर्वरी. सो ते रॉ वॉटराचे जेन्ना चॅनल येता तेजे मेंटेनन्साचें काम चालू आहा, म्हणून तांकां अजुनूय सप्लाय स्टार्ट करूंक मेळना. तेणी 1-2 दीस चालू केलो टू सी हाव इट इज फंक्शनींग. 5 MLD, तेंचे 15 MLD चो प्लांट ऑलमोस्ट रेडी आहा. Another 5 and another 5 is going to get ready.
Yeah, but
so, with these पर्वरचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जातले. आमचो ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट रेडी जाला जाल्यार कलंगूटचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व जातले. आमी न्यू पायपलायन घालपाचो प्रपोजल घातलो रायट फ्रॉम गिरी. That is also not a permanent solution. It will give us water coming to our new tank which we have built. तितून उदक पडपाक थिंगासोर वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटान आसनारा एक्स्ट्रा ऑगमेंटेशन ऑफ वॉटर जावपाक जाय आनी एक्स्ट्रा पायपलायन आसपाक जाय उदक थिंगा हाडपाक गिरी. So what I am saying in short is, if we do the same water treatment plant in our constituency or in Chivolim, which we have done in Porvorim, is a long run on ये problem solve जातले.
Yeah, Michael, all this is fine, but then whatever projects are supposed to come, they will come. But until all these issues are solved, why there is no moratorium on the new hotel, new construction in Kalangut?
See, if you say that you are not giving water connection, or if you are not giving this construction license to any particular 5 houses, 10 houses, or households, or a flat system, then they go to court, and court gives order. Court says that it is the duty of the government to provide portable drinking water to each and every household, to each and every new villa which is coming or building which is coming. It is the duty of the government. So government might affidavit dita that our process is on to augment more water, our process is on to build more filtration plants, our process is on to lay a new pipeline. अशें जर तर affidavit दिले जाल्यार कोर्ट मागीर आयकता. So we are duty bound to give uninterrupted water supply to the people of our constituency and the people of Goa. But इतली वर्सां जाली खंयचेच PWD मिनिस्टरान अशी तकली लोडोंक ना की नॉर्थ गोवा कोस्टल बेल्ट आसूं आनी सावथ गोवा कोस्टल बेल्ट आसूं, हे जे टेल एंड आसता थिंगा उदक कशें पावपाचें आनी अनइंटरप्टेड कशें पावपाचें, कित्याक पावपाचें, तेंचे कडेन आयज पासून हो सक्सेस मेळोंक ना तेंकां. कित्याक ऑगमेंटेशन ऑफ वॉटर जे फिल्ट्रेशन जाता थिंगा हितून ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटान आसनोरा थिंगासून पायपलायन जी आहा आमची, ते पायपलायनीनसून सप्लाय 7 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक जाता आनी हे शक्यच ना की तेच पायपलायनीनसून तूं आमकांय दिवंक शकता उदक. आमकां दिता, आमचे कितले आहा 20 mld आमकां जाय दिसाक, 20 mld वॉटर आमकां येता कितले, आमकां येता खाली 12 mld उदक आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक. सो 8 mld आमकां शॉर्ट पडटा. त्या खातीर आयज एक थोड्या लोकांक अशें आहा, थोडे वाडे अशे आहा तांकां आयज उदक येता, फाल्यां येना, परवां येता, म्हणजे एक दीस सोडून उदक येता. सो हे एवरीडे जर तर मेळपाक जाय जाल्यार आमकां वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांटाचेर सोर्साचेर उदक फिल्टर एक्स्ट्रा जावंक जाय आनी पायपलायन न्ही आसपाक जाय.
Michael Bab, you have been on record, coming back to politics, you have been on record saying that God has given you everything. Your famous statement of 12 bungalows and all, it has actually not gone well with many people. What
See,
do
I am saying
No,
that
what
we
I'm
already
saying is-
have.
No, I'm saying
It's not that we
that
didn't
is
have.
that is not my question.
So
My
तेजे
question
उपरांत येयला आमी पॉलिटिक्स.
now, what I'm saying is the question here is, despite having all this, why are you wanting your wife to contest and come into politics? What people know Michael Bab as a dynamic minister who works, who leads from the front, and we have seen you working. You have done a lot of development. We all know what is happening. But then, what is the difference left? If you want your wife to contest, what is the difference left between you and the other families who lost in? I don't want to name anybody. You know them. What is the difference between you? Doesn't that make you power hungry?
No, it's not that. You look at the situation in Sholim constituency. If you go there, people will tell you.
But you can of course
If you
support
travel there,
somebody else.
If you travel there, people will see. आमी कोणाक हेल्प करूंक ना इलेक्शनान, सगळ्यांक हेल्प केले, पूण येवन काम करपाक जाय. काम केलें जाल्यारूच तूं थिंगासर लोक तुका म्हणटा हो आमदार येयलो, हेणें बरें काम केलें, ह्या आमदारा खातीर आमकां बरे रस्ते मेळले, ह्या आमदारा खातीर आमकां कचऱ्याचो प्रश्न सॉल्व जालो, ह्या आमदारा खातीर आमकां बरी फुटपाथ मेळ्ळी, आमकां बरे स्कूल मेळ्ळे, लायब्ररी मेळ्ळी, आमकां पंचायत घर बरें मेळ्ळें, आमचे एक्झिस्टींग स्कूल आहा पळय ते बरे जाले, आमकां लोकांक जॉब्स मेळ्ळे, प्रायवेट हॉटेल्स येयली त्या खातीर थिंगा जॉब मेळ्ळे, गव्हर्मेंट जॉब मेळ्ळे. अशें जावपाक जाय, लोकांनी उलोवपाक जाय. आयज लोक उलयना. कित्याक उलयना? लोकांनी पळयलां की गेलीं 25 वर्सां हे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कांय जावंक नाका. हांव चड उलयना. लोकांक अशें दिसता की डिफरन्स जातलो आमी थिंगा येत जाल्यार लोक आमकां जिखोन हाडटले. आनी दिसता की लोकांक की आमी इतलें करूनय आमकां कांय अशें व्हडलें हें कांय मेळचें ना जाल्यार आमकां शेणयतले लोक. सो वी वील बी ड्युटी बाउंड वन्स वी आर इलेक्टेड. आतां इलेक्शन जावच्या पयलीं आमी खूब लोकांक हेल्प केला थिंगा. आतां इलेक्शन जिखोन येवन the MLA over there will be duty bound to work for 5 years. So she will be working on daily basis, not on weekly basis. आपण एक विका नंतर येतले आणि पळयतले 8 दीस आपण ना.
But the present incumbent said last time you only supported him to get elected. And
तशें काय ना.
do you think he has failed?
लोक पळयता.
Do you think he has failed?
हांव कांयच उलयना. लोकांनी आमचे कडेन येवन मागला म्हणून आमी फुडें सरल्या. आमी बेश्टे फुडें सरोंक ना की म्हाजो नंबर तिंगा लागचो ओ म्हाजो नंबर तिंगा लागचो, तशें ना तें. लोकांनी येवन सांगलां, ते स्थानीक लोक जे ते वाड्या वयले लोक आहात, ते विलेजींतले लोक आहात, ते कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक आहात, त्या लोकांनी आयज येवन सांगलां की आमकां थिंगासोर येवन तुमी बसा सर आनी आमी तुमकां जिखोवन हाडटा. सो द जॉब ऑफ गेटींग अस इलेक्टेड इज देयर. तेच्या उपरांत आमचें काम तेजे नंतर चालू जातलें.
No, absolutely. When Devendra Fadnavis was here, Goa in charge, former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, he came to your house. He actually, that time you said that the government, the party has not decided upon your wife's ticket. So after that, he took you to, you were summoned to Delhi. In Delhi, you think in the 35 minutes, it's really difficult to digest that this question did not come up.
You can ask Mr. Fadnavis. He was there present for all 35 minutes when I was talking. And in that 35 minutes, there was no discussion about my wife contesting independent or which party ticket. Nothing has come up. So, question only does not arise that I am telling you something else. So, you can ask. If you don't believe me, you can ask Mr. Fadnavis. This is
No,
this was not the subject matter.
The subject matter was only you leaving the party.
No, it's not about me leaving the party. Amit Bhai Shah wanted to know the political scenario in the state of Goa, how it is going, and the elections are close by. We have done a survey, we have completed one survey, and in that survey we have found so many different things. What do you think about this thing? Because last time also the party had done one survey, and in that survey there were about 8 to 9 MLAs and ministers being shown in red. But correction was not done because Manohar Bhai Parrikar said that I will get them elected. I will work for them. Wherever there is a shortfall, I will see that I will go and fill it up. I will request the people to vote them once again. But people did not listen. Lokani aikong na.
So basically, you are leaving the party, whatever the rumors and your wife's candidature never came up in Amit.
No. I leaving
Amit
the
Shah
party
meeting.
म्हणून अशें हें येवंकूच ना. खाली rumors were there. तेणें सांगलें म्हाका की there are rumors that some people are saying that you are likely to exit and join some other political party. He said you are 15 years in our party and you need to be working for the party. अशें तेजें मत आसलें आनी आमी तें सांगलें ताका आमी तशें केन्नाच ना. Maybe there are differences of opinion and कोण तरी पार्टीचो व्हडलो मनीस आसा तेजे आनी म्हाजे ओपिनियन थोडेक दुसरे आसतले. सो ऑन सर्टन इश्यूज, सर्टन थिंग्स which I have publicly said, which I have said in an open forum, maybe तेंकां लायक जावंक ना.
Exactly what is your future plan now? Now, are you going to stay in BJP and your wife contests from Shioli as independent, or you are going to join the Congress party as the rumor mill says? The Congress party, you were instrumental. Actually, you engineered the split within that party, as we all know.
I am not involved in engineering any split in the Congress party. I may be present at that particular time later on, but the split जे तेंचे आहा ते उलोवप आहा, डिस्कशन आहा, ते तुका तेंचो लिडरूच सांगतलो जो कोण आमचे वाटेन येयलो. I was not instrumental. They had spoken to our party and our party high command before I could come in the picture. And at the time of doing this, I was also present. I'm not denying because I was there when they spoke to me. That was at the last minute. But before that, everything was spoken.
Okay, so basically you say you were not involved in it. But are you going to join the Congress party now?
Which party I will join is time to say. Because I am there in one political party for 15 years. At the election is 4 months away. So a lot of people are guessing not only about me, a lot of people are guessing about other people also. Whether that person will remain in that particular political party or is going to shift.
No,
time will tell. Right now, I am very much comfortable where I am. and we will see that the right people get elected
in the BJP.
in the party.
In the okay, so you have, as you clearly mentioned, that you have no intentions of joining Congress as of now.
See, right now I'm in BJP. I do not want to comment about joining any other political party at the moment. कोणी हुंयसरी वचोंक शकता, कोणी हुंयसरी येवंक शकता. आता BJP पार्टीन 13 आमदार आसले, आयज आमचे कितके जाले? आयज आमचे 27 जाले. सो दुसरे आमदार सोडले आनी BJPन येयले. तेणी केन्नाच अशें म्हणोंक ना की आमी सोडटले म्हणून. तेणी डिसिजन घेतले, ते रिजायन जाले, और तेणी मर्ज केले आनी हिंगा एडीन येयले. अशें 2/3 मर्ज केले येयले. अशें पॉलिटिक्सान चालूच आसता. आनी आमचो ट्रॅक रिकॉर्ड आहा, आमी झेडपीच्या उपरांतसून आयज बसून BJP ना.
So, Michael Bob,
पयले आमी काँग्रेसाचे वर्कर आसले.
You have neither.
We were just workers of the Congress earlier. After getting elected as ZP in the year 2009-10, till today, we are in active politics in BJP. So I joined BJP in 2005-06.
No, but when you have no intentions of joining Congress, why your opponents in Kalangut, former MLA Agnel Fernandez, former Sarpanch Joseph Sequeira, then former ZP and Sarpanch Anthony Menezes, they have been all talking about you joining Congress, and Agnel and Joseph has clearly said that they are not going to support you in case you join Congress.
See, the caution is like this.
Why are they saying this? If there is
everybody feels that they are probable candidates. तेंका सगळ्यांक दिसता की आमी कॅन्डिडेट. आग्नेलाक दिसता काँग्रेसचो कॅन्डिडेट आपूण. सो तो सावडी जी आसता, आपलीच सावडी जी आहा, ते सावडेक तो भियेता की आनी कोणाक टिकेट मेळत. जोझफाक गेल्या फावटी टिकेट मेवली, ताका ह्या फावटी मेवची ना. अशें आहा तेंचे भितर की गेल्या फावटी शेणला, ह्या फावटी परत ना. ते कित्याक तेंचे कडेन आनीक लोक आहा. एंटनी मेनेझीस आहा, आग्नेल आहा, शाहू म्हणून आनी एकटो आहा. सो हे सगळे जाण आहात तेंकां टिकेट क्लेम करपी. सो तितून एंटनी म्हणटा मायकलाक मेवची ना, शाहू म्हणटा मायकलाक मेवची ना. आतां मायकलाक कशी मेवतली? हांव तेंचो मेंबरूच न्हू अजून पासून तर मेंबर न्हू. टिकेट आतां ती तेंचे भितरल्या कोणाक तरी मेवतली. आतां ते एकामेकाक मेवची न्हू म्हणून म्हाजें नांव घालता. मायकला गाडी जाल्यार आमी काम करचे ना. आय हॅव नो इश्यूज. हांव तेंकां कांय म्हणना. निमणे मत कोण घालतलो? लोक घालतले. जनरल पीपल, दॅट इज आमचे कुंगोडकार आनी कांदोलीचे लोक, आरपोरा नागवा पार्राचे लोक मत घालून त्या मनशाक जिखून हाडटले.
Michael Bob, this is being said both in Congress and BJP. There are rumors that whichever party you will contest these elections, you want sweeping powers in Bardesh. You want to choose candidates in Bardesh, and you have assured, it's being said that you have assured both the parties, whoever you will contest, that you are going to give them majority in this taluka.
See, लोक म्हाज्या कडसून वेगवेगळ्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींसून येता आनी हांव तेंकां ट्राय करता हेल्प करपाक. म्हापसा इज व्हेरी क्लोज टू मी. म्हापशेचे लोक म्हाका खूब लागीं. तशें सालिगांव कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक म्हाका खूब लागीं. शिवोले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीचे लोक म्हाका खूब लागीं आहा. आनी कुंगोटी आमी आहाच थिंगा. तेजे भायर आल्दोनाचे लोक आमकां लागीं आहा. अशें हांव म्हणना की हे सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी म्हाज्यो म्हणून. पूण आय कॅन हेल्प द कॅन्डिडेट टू गेट दॅट स्मॉल मार्जीन वीच ही रिक्वायर्स टू वीन. दोग जाण जेन्ना इलेक्शनाक आसता तेन्ना एक कॅन्डिडेटाक 1,500 वोट लागता, 1000 वोट लागता, 500 वोट लागता. ते हांव इन्फ्लुएन्स करूंक शकता अशें लोकांक दिसता. आनी हांव थिंगा वचोन जर तर लोकांक मेळत, कॉर्नर मिटिंगी करीत, लोकांच्या घरांनी भोंवत, कॅम्पेनिंग करीत आनी तांकां प्रॉमीस करीत की हांव तुमची ही कामां करतलो, जाल्यार ते लोक त्या कॅन्डिडेटाक मत घालून तो जिखोंक शकता अशें लोक उलयता. म्हणून अशें दिसता सगळ्यांक की बार्देजान मायकल कॅन मेक अ डिफरन्स.
But Michael,
but I am just a small, very very small वर्कर ऑफ ऑल द पीपल ऑफ गोवा. आनी हांव काम करता, सोशल वर्क करता लोकां खातीर. आनी ते जो तर पॉलिटिकली कोणाक बेनिफीट जाता आनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीक बेनिफीट जाता जाल्यार डेफिनेटली दॅट पार्टी कॅन गेट 4 to 5 seats over here.
But this has not gone well with the sitting MLAs. Mandrekar has complained to
Let anybody complain.
CM. He
See,
ex and
हांव
then
direct
Joshua
सांगता.
Mapsa MLA Joshua has also complained to CM
हांव
that
एक
you are
डायरेक्ट
intervening
सांगता,
in his
I
constituency.
am not against any sitting MLA or against any ex-MLA. My thing is very simple. My thing is that that particular MLA or that particular minister should do work of the people. लोकांचें काम करपाक जाय. आनी जेन्ना लोकांचें काम जायना तेन्ना हांव बेजार जाता. आनी ही आमी सगळे ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी पळयल्या की ही कामां जायना. खंय तरी आमदार हांवूय म्हणना हांव सारको बरें काम करपी, म्हाजे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन काम आहा पूण म्हाजे तकलेन आहा तें काम जावपाक जाय. म्हणून आमी फावंडेशन स्टोन घातलो सब स्टेशनाचो. इतली वर्सां लागली जागो मेळपाक. उलोवपाक इजी. जेन्ना कोमनीदाद आपलो जागो बसून दिता थिंगा 10 जाण उबे रावता येवन. आपले जो कोण तरी शेत लायतालो हिंगा, आपले जो कोण तरी नागोनलेले एकदां, आमी ओसाणे लायल्ले एकदां. सो अशें करून ते जागो मेळना. आमी नॉर्थ गोवा कोस्टल बेल्टा खातीर गार्बेज प्लांट घातलो. तो जागो आमी एक्वायर केलो तेन्ना. कित्याक हांव उलयता हें? कित्याक हांवें दुसरे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक हेल्प केला. हांवें पेरणेक हेल्प केला, हांवें मांद्रे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक हेल्प केला, हांवें शिवोले कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक हेल्प केला. थिंगासरलो कचरो आयज अंजुना पंचायतीचो सगळो कचरो वेट गार्बेज आनी ड्राय गार्बेज आमच्या प्लांटान येता आनी थिंगा ट्रीट जाता. हें काम कार्य आमी त्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीच्या आमदाराक आनी त्या वाठारांतल्या सरपंचाक, वॉर्ड मेंबराक आनी लोकां खातीर केल्लें हांवें. आमी बेश्टे उलयना, आमी काम करून दाखयल्लें. त्या खातीर लोक आमकां मानता. त्या खातीर लोक जाणा की मायकल लोबो कितें तरी उतर दीत जाल्यार तें काम करतलो. इतले लोकांक गॅरंटी आहा. म्हणून लोक आमचेर विश्वास दवरता. आय एम नॉट प्रेझींग माय सेल्फ. दीस इज वॉट पीपल हॅव टू सी. आनी हांव इतलेंच सांगूंक सोदता तुमकां आयज की येता त्या इलेक्शनाकूय वी वील प्ले अ मेजर रोल टू सी दॅट दीस सीट्स आर वन एंड वी वील these seats will help to form the government for a political party.
Michael, as we spoke at the start of the interview, many political parties like AAP, TMC, there are new regional parties like RG and all are seen in these elections. They are going to fight elections. So what kind of impact it would have? And especially the TMC and AAP, what kind of impact do you think they will have on the regional parties?
See, प्रत्येक लिडर येतानी म्हणटा आपल्याची पॉलिटिकल पार्टी बरी. काम कोणें केलां तें पळोवपाचें लोकांनी. हांव कितें म्हणटा, उलोवपाक इजी, काम करून दाखोवपाक खूब डिफिकल्ट. आनी जोर तर कोणें काम केलां त्या मनशाक मत पडटलें आनी काम करूंक ना त्या मनशाक मत पडचें ना. हें तुका हांव सिंपल सांगता. गेल्या इलेक्शनाक गेली 5 वर्सां पयलीं इलेक्शन जालें 2017. तितून आमी पळयला स्टॉलवर्ट्स बीग लिडर्स लायक एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर आमचो गोंयचो, तेचे वांगडा 6-7 मंत्री घरा गेले. कित्याक गेले ते? लोकांनी धाडले ते. अशें न्हू की ते पॉलिटिकल पार्टीन कितें रॉंग केलां. तेणी खंय तरी लोकांक पावोंक ना. ते खंय तरी लोकांक कडेन पावपाक कमी जाले. तेंचो कनेक्ट विथ द पीपल तुटलो. ते आमी पयले अंडरस्टँड जावपाक जाय. उलयलें म्हणून जायना. वी हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड दॅट it is not the fault of that particular political party, it is the fault of that particular MLA.
No, my question.
नाले आमी शेंटेले आसले न्हू.
No, my question is, what will be the impact of these new parties coming into Goa on the regional party?
There is no impact. हांव सांगता तुका, हे जे रिजनल पार्टी येयल्यात ते थोडे 2-3 पॉलिटिकल पार्टीक अजुनूय बसून सिंबल मेळोंक ना. They are not registered with the Election Commission of India. Still not registered.
No, about AAP and TMC.
AAP and TMC are registered. These are
No,
you
they
can
are
call
they
them
are
today,
advanced.
they are-
Do
they
you
are-
think
you
it is going to
you
impact the
can call
regional
them
party?
a national political party. AAP is going in every
State.
TMC is also going in every state. TMC has presence in couple of states. So they are fighting elections in couple of states. So they are going to talk nationally. They cannot talk on local centric issues. आमचे गोंयकारांचे इश्यूज जे आहा ते घेवंक शकना. तो आमदार जो फुडें बसपाचो आहा तेंचो, ओ आमदार जो फुडें जिखोन येत जाल्यार ते घेवंक शकता इश्यू. They can talk national politics. आता आप can talk national politics. आप can talk about what should happen in Delhi, what should happen in the parliament, what India should get. Local issues जे आहा हे आमचे स्टेट लिडर्स घेतात. तो स्टेट पॉलिटिकल जेन्ना तेंचो आमदार निवडून येतलो तेन्ना घेतले. आयज ते खाली दे कॅन जस्ट गिव देअर वन सिंपल मॅनिफेस्टो that if voted to power आम्ही हे करतले.
So basically you feel they won't have any impact on the local parties.
No impact. See, इतली वर्षा जे आहा.
But what about the freebies they are announcing, like free electricity, someone is giving free education.
लोकांनी चिंतपाक जाय की हे सगळे जे फ्रीबीज अनाउन्स करता ते दिवंक शकना. सरकार सद्याक तिजोरींसून पयशे काडून दयानंद सोशल सिक्युरिटी स्कीम, गृह आधार, लाडली लक्ष्मी आणि बाकीचे वेगवेगळे स्किमींग प्लस पेन्शन हे सगळे दिता. मायनिंग बंद आहा आयज बसून, क्लॅरिटी काय ना. ट्युरिझम एटलिस्ट 60% डावन जाला, 40% चालू. सो ह्या सगळ्या सिट्युएशनान आमी हे दिवंक शकतले काय हे लोकांनी चिंतपाक जाय. रीण काडून कोणूय दिवंक शकता. तुजी लिमीट आहा रीण काडपाची, तर तूं 40,000 कोटी. आयज आमी खंय पावल्या 26,000 कोटीचेर, 27,000 कोटीचेर पावतले आतां. 25-26,000 कोटीचें रीण आहा. प्रत्येक मनशाचें रीण आहा गोंयच्या मनशाचें. सो प्रत्येक सरकार आपल्या लिमिटीन रीण काडप, मागीर ते पयशे येयले तिजोरीन जाल्यार फारीक करप, अशें चालू आहा. आदली रिणां फारीक करप चालू आहा. सो हांव कितें म्हणटा इन शॉर्ट की एनाउन्स करपाक इजी. ते 25,000 कोटी आयज रीण आहा ते 40,000चेर व्हरपाक टायम लागचो ना. 1.5 वर्सां भितर तूं लोकांक जे एनाउन्स केला ते फ्री वस्तू दिवंक जाता. पूण तुजें रीण 40,000 कोटी येतलें. कोणाचें रीण तें? लोकांचें. लोकांनी इंट्रस्ट फारीक करूंक जाय. जो आयज तुका सरकार जो तर 5,000 रुपया म्हयन्याक म्हारगायेचो भत्तो दितलो और अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अलाउन्स म्हणून दितलो, ते परतून तुजे कडसून इंट्रस्टा सकट घेतले. हें लोकांनी चिंतपाक जाय. मायनींग चालू जालें, ट्युरिझम फूल स्विंग जालें, इंडस्ट्री, ग्रीन इंडस्ट्रीज गोंयान येयल्यो. जर तर तूं फार्मास्युटिकल इंडस्ट्री, टॅबलेट्स करप, सिरप करप, आनी कितें करप, जर तर ग्रीन इंडस्ट्रीज गोंयान येयत जाल्यार तितून एम्प्लॉयमेंट ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी मेळटले, तितून टॅक्स मेळटले, GST मेळटले. तितूनसून आमकां ही सगळीं रिणां घेतल्या पळय ती आनी जे फ्रीबीज एनाउन्स करता ते दिवंक शकता. बेश्टे उलोवन ते दिवंक शकना.
Sir, now that you have said that you are not going anywhere as of now, tentative as of now you are in BJP. What do you think? Where does the BJP stand today? Because there is a lot.
I am very senior member in this party.
No, I'm just saying.
15 years zale.
No, that is what. You're going nowhere. Exactly as I take it, you are today in BJP. You're going nowhere. That's what you told us. So basically, I want to know, where does the BJP stand today? There is a anti-incumbency factor against the because of
things.
There are many anti-people projects like Molem. You take IIT, you take then coal. You take. There are many people. People are upset with the BJP. They are disappointed that they voted for them. And then the other factor, which was BJP, they say has robbed the people's mandate from Congress. So there is a lot of things against. What is the BJP think tank thinking about all this?
See, I am not in the core the committee of the BJP to answer certain things. What you are thinking, that what they are thinking. But as far as what you are saying about these projects which are not required, I am also with the people. Some projects which are not required are not required. I also have opposed it many times. And if you talk about IIT, it is required in the state of Goa. I stand by IIT, but not at that place. जे लोक म्हणटा आमच्या गांवान आमी जिंगा रोयता रोपे आनी कितें तरी त्या गांवान जेन्ना लोक म्हणटा आमकां नाका जाल्यार गोव्हर्मेंटान जागो जो एक्वायर केला खूब जाग्यार एक्वायर केला जागो थिंगा हाडून घाला न्हू IIT जाय आमच्या भुरग्यांक जाय आयज आमचे गोंयचे भुरगे बेंगलोर आनी पुणे आनी मुंबय आनी खंय खंय वयता IIT शिकपाक चेन्नई वयता आनी खंय वयता हैदराबाद वयता वाय दे शूड गो टू आंध्र प्रदेश टू लर्न IIT and then get jobs in Andhra Pradesh only. म्हणजे आमचो गोंयकार जो तर थिंगा जॉबाक वचत जाल्यार आनी परतून येतलो गोंयां येवचो ना न्ही तो थिंगाच सेटल जातलो गोंयचे चेडू जो तर फाल्यां वचोन बेंगलोर काम केलें शील गेट accustomed to that life and she'll get married over there only. That girl is gone out of Goa. So what I am saying in short, you have to identify a proper place. बरो जागो सोदून IIT गोंयान जाय. आतां दुसरे प्रोजेक्ट जे नाका ते नाका आमी म्हणटा नाका. सो आयज जे थिंक टँक आहा फाल्यां ते चेंज जातले. अशें न्हू की उमकी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी येतली आनी ती म्हणटली आमी अशें करतले आनी आमी तशें करतले. तशें जायना. गोंयच्या लोकांक कितें जाय पळय तें सरकारान करपाक जाय आनी जो तर ते करिना जाल्यार जो कोण मेन मनीस पासून आसता तेका घातक जाता. सो ते खंय चुकला जाल्यार करेक्शन करूंक जाय हें आमचें मत.
Coming back to your core issue, you have supported the taxis right throughout, but in between when the digital meters issue came in and the Goa Miles they were fighting, they say that you were not seen somewhere.
See, it is not like that.
Now
I
suddenly
was only upset on one thing, that certain people, when a customer says I want my bill, they have to be given bill. But I don't support Goa Miles from the beginning. Goa Miles जो इश्यू थिंगा कितें आहा, तूं जो तर गाडी घेवन हिंगा येयलो, कोंगोट येयलो, बागान येयलो, तोच कस्टमराक घेवन परतून वयता जाल्यार गोवा इज अ स्मॉल स्टेट. It is not a metropolitan city where Michael Lobo will use a taxi, where Suraj Babu is going to use a taxi or somebody else is going to use a taxi. हांगा सगळ्यां कडेन 2-व्हीलर आनी 4-व्हीलर आहा. सो तो जो मनीस हिंगा घेवन येता टॅक्सी हिंगासून जो तर भरून व्हरता जाल्यार आमचे हिंगासर टॅक्सी ओनर आनी ड्रायव्हर तेणी कितें करप तें म्हाका पयलीं सांगुनी. सरकारान जो तर बाबू आजगांवकरान जो तर हें बरें चिंतलेलें तेन्ना केला पळय तेन्ना थ्रू ट्युरिजम केला तेणें जाल्यार तो ते आयज छातयेर हात मारून सांगता की आपणें केला म्हणून तेणें सांगुनी न्हू की हिंगासरल्या लोकांनी कितें करप पळय तें. एक टायमार पेडण्या तेजे हेजे सायडीक मांद्रे हॉटेलां आहा त्या वाठारांतले लोक वास्कोचे लोक येवन जो तर मांद्रे ड्रॉप करता कोणाक आनी ते ड्रॉप करता पळय तेच कस्टमराक घेवन ते परत जो तर वास्को वयतले एअरपोर्टार काय रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेर व्हरोन पावयतले जाल्यार त्या जी रेट आहा थिंगासून हिंगा 200 रुपया उणी मारता. 1400 जाल्यार 1200 मारता, 1200 जाल्यार 1000क मारता, 900 950 मारता आनी हिंगासरल्या कस्टमराक जी रेट हे 1200 घेता तो 800 रुपया मारता. तेका परवडटा तें कित्याक तो येयला भरोन वयतानाय भरोन वयता. आमचे ट्युरिस्ट टॅक्सीवाले जो तर फाल्यां एअरपोर्टार गेले आनी एअरपोर्टा वयले कस्टमर पिकअप केले आनी हिंगा हाडून सोडले आनी परत व्हरोन ड्रॉप केले जाल्यार त्या वाठारांतल्या लोकांचें कितें जातलें. तेंच्यो ज्यो आयज इतल्यो गाडयो आसा, एक 3-4 हजार गाडयो आहा, ते 4,000 लोकांचे एम्प्लॉयमेंट बंद. आमी जो तर वचोन थिंगा कावंटर घेवन रावले भायर एअरपोर्टाचेर.
But what is wrong in the digital meters?
There is nothing wrong. Digital meter is the need of the hour. But what आमचे लोकल कितें म्हणटा, आमचे लोकल म्हणटा आमी डिजिटल मिटरा प्रमाणे वयता. तूं गोवा मायल्स बंद कर, तूं गोवा मायल्साक थिंगासून हिंगा हाडून आनी आमच्या हॉटेलांतले कस्टमर व्हरोन परत थिंगा एअरपोर्टार
But they are also against fitting the digital meters.
No. I have spoken to them. They have spoken to Advocate General in front of me. They're saying we don't want confusion. If you are putting us digital meter, then how can there be a parallel system working? Tomorrow Ola will come, tomorrow Uber will come, tomorrow some other player will come. Goa is a small state. I'm not against Ola and Uber. I'm not against Goa
So
Miles.
basically you feel that
It is
once
what?
Goa Miles is shut, the taxi issue will be solved
It's
for
over.
once and over.
It's over. The issue only is over. Shut म्हणजे कितें वेर देर इज एक्झिस्टिंग सिस्टम तितूनसून तेणी येवन व्हरोंक जायना न्हू. गोवा इज अ स्मॉल स्टेट, इट इज नॉट अ मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी वेर तूं म्हाज्या घरा कडसून येता आनी हांव तुका एपार आपयलो, तूं घरा येयलो आनी म्हाका घेवन गेलो. तशें नात न्हू ते, इतले कस्टमरूच ना. कस्टमर जे येता पळय तेच ते. इट्स लोकल पीपल आर नॉट युअर कस्टमर्स. सो हाव यू कॅन से दॅट हीच गाडी गोवा मायल्साची गाडी कलांगूट येता, ड्रॉप करता, तेच हॉटेलांसून दुसऱ्या कस्टमराक घेता आनी एअरपोर्टार वयता. म्हणजे त्या विलेजींतलो त्या वाड्या वयलो टॅक्सी ओनरान आनी ड्रायव्हरान कितें करप तें तूं सांग म्हाका. हेचेर म्हाका आन्सर दी, मागीर हांव तुका सांगता तूं सारकें उलयला म्हणून. आय सपोर्ट द लोकल पीपल ऑन दी स्टँड.
No, my question is just not that. My question was why
डिजिटल
there
मिटराक
were people
कोण
who
ओपोज
were
करिना. डिजिटल मिटराक ओपोज आदी थोड्यांनी केल्लो, बाकीचे सगळे उगी रावले. ते 5% लोकां खातीर यू कॅनॉट पुट द होल हावस ऑन फायर. तो तितलो हे जो आहा तेंकां सायडीक दवरपाक जाय. आतां दोनूय वस्तू पॅरलल चलोंक शकना. ते खातीर हेचेर तोडको येवपाकूच जाय, हेचेर डिसिजन जावपाक जाय. माय डिमांड टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर वील बी बिफोर वी गो फॉर इलेक्शन यू सॉल्व दीस प्रॉब्लम. की म्हाज्या हॉटेलान क्यू सिस्टम आहा, तितून मोदेगांत येवन गोवा मायल्स वालो आनी कोण टॅक्सी एसोसिएशनाचो मनीस येवन व्हरोंक शकना. कित्याक थिंगा ऑलरेडी ती क्यू सिस्टमान आहा. तुजो नंबर जालो कांयच म्हाजो जातलो आनी हांवूय डिजिटल मिटराचेरूच वयता. कस्टमर म्हणत जाल्यार आपूण डिजिटल मिटरार वचना. आय डोंट वॉन्ट डिजिटल मिटर. आय वील ओनली पे यू 1000 रुपीज टू गो ऑन द एअरपोर्ट. येस, द ड्रायव्हर एग्रीज, द ओनर ऑफ द कॅब एग्रीज एंड द कस्टमर एग्रीज, द मॅटर इज ओवर. देर इज नो, ही वील नॉट स्टार्ट द मिटर. कित्याक मिटराचेर 1200 रुपया पडटले ताका. हो सिस्टम आहा. वॉट द कस्टमर वॉन्ट्स. कस्टमर वॉन्ट्स to go by meter, he goes by meter. Customer says, I will pay you only 1100 and this one agrees, the cab person agrees. But if you bring somebody else in this system, ते थिंगात उरले न्हू. कित्याक ते खूब सवाय वयतले. कित्याक ते येयल्या सवाय वयताय सवाय. कित्याक तांकां फायनली कितले मेवले ते पळय न्हू पयशे. एअरपोर्टार येवन वचपाक तांकां मेवले 1800 रुपया, 900. Whereas they are charging from there 1300. And from here to there they are charging 1200. So 500 रुपया कमी. बट हांकां कितले मेवले ते पळय न्हू. ताका 900 मेवताले. वचोन येतालो तो, बरोन वयतालो, खाली येता. दीस इज द डिफरन्स. यू हॅव टू बी स्मार्ट टू अंडरस्टँड दीस. एंड हू कॅन अंडरस्टँड दीस वील नेवर सपोर्ट गोवा मायल्स. वील सपोर्ट द स्थानिक मनीस.
See, there is nobody who does not want the local businesses to be shut, and
So they are ready to.
everybody
See, I have
everybody wants the local
हांवें
tourism,
सांगला-
supporting the
हांवें
local tourism.
सांगला सरकाराक. म्हाज्या वांगडा आनीक थोडे जाण लोक आसले. तेंच्यांनी सांगलें सरकार आमकां फ्री मिटर दी. आमचे कडेन सद्याक पयशे ना, कोवीड आहा, हें आहा, तें आहा, आमचो धंदो बंद आसलो, आमकां बँक नोटिशी धाडीत आहा. सो सरकारान दिलो फ्री मिटर. पूण आतां गोवा मायल्साचेरूय डिसिजन जावपाक जाय. कितें डिसिजन पळय तें सीएमान करून. व्हेरी सिंपल डिसिजन इट इज. गोवा मायल्स जर थिंगासून पिकअप करता, तेणी हिंगासून व्हरोंक जायना. सिंपल इट इज.
Okay,
तुका व्हरोंक जाय, तूं क्यू सिस्टमान राव. तुजो नंबर 61 येतलो. कित्याक 60 गाडी ऑलरेडी आहा. म्हणजे तूं 4 दीस राव थिंगा त्या हॉटेलान भायर येवन. तशें आसूंक जाय.
So basically, if I asked you this question, so once the Goa Miles is shut, the issue will be solved. So and then who takes the responsibility that something else doesn't crop up in the taxi issue? Because
There is no issue. See,
see
government
they
says
they
there
had
is a
all,
digital meter. I am a customer. I will sit in the cab and that person says there is no digital meter. तेजेर complaint करूंक जाता. Digital meter is the requirement of the taxi. आता कस्टमर म्हणटा की आपल्याक आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू गो ऑन डिजिटल मिटर, आपूण तुका उमकेच पयशे दितलो. तो एग्री आहा जाल्यार जालें न्हू. इट इज बिटवीन कस्टमर एंड द ओनर ऑफ द कॅब. इंटरनॅशनली ऑल्सो आमी जेन्ना भोंवंक गेल्ले, हांव तुका सादो एग्जाम्पल दिता. आमी जेन्ना फ्रांसाक भोंवंक गेल्ले, थिंगासरूय डिजिटल मिटर आसलो हेचो इन द vehicle, and he said that this meter to go there will cost you so much. Go and come back. But if you want to pay me this price, I will wait with you till 6 o'clock. So मिटराचेर हांवें मागीर 3-4 जाणांक विचारलें मिटराचेर कितके जाता थिंगा वचोन येवपाक. सोवांग रिटर्न म्हणून सांगलें. सो तेणी सांगलें की इतले जाता म्हणून पयशे. सो मच मनी इट वील हॅपन लायक इन डॉलर्स इतले, पावंड्सांनी इतले. आनी तो रेट दिल्ले आमकां कितले तेणें अरावंड $80 उणें. सो फायदो कोणाक जालो? म्हाका. सो हांवें ताका सांगलें ओके आय विल पे यू लंप सम दीस अमाउंट. He agreed, I agreed, the matter is closed.
Okay, Michael Bubb, thanks for coming, for inviting us for our interview actually, and clearing all the doubts which are there in the minds of Goans regarding the politics, the development in Kalangut, new political parties coming into Goa, the taxi issue, all these. But you didn't clear your stand on whether neither you agreed nor you denied whether you're leaving the party or you're staying with BJP.
See, a senior person in the political party never thinks of leaving until and unless he has to take a very drastic step.
Okay, so
and when a person takes a drastic step, he takes it in the interest of the state, not in my interest. माझे इंट्रस्टान हांव कांयच करपी न्हू. म्हाका देवान सगळें दिल्लें आहा. हांव जर तर स्टेटीचे इंट्रस्टान कितें करूंक जाय जाल्यार आमी सगळे आहा करपाक तयार. आमी सिनियर आहा पार्टीन. सिनियर मनीस केन्ना सोडिना पार्टी. केन्ना सोडटा? लुईजीन फलेरोचे तूं पळय. बाब लुईजीन फलेरो एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टर जालो 2 फावटी. तेणें आयज सांगलें की आय एम नॉट हॅप्पी द वे द पार्टी इज फंक्शनींग. आय एम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. आय एम बींग केप्ट. आय एम बींग सायडलायन. अशें जावंक जायना. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीनूय तितलो इम्पॉर्टन्स त्या मनशाक दिवचो पडटा.
Agreed, Michael Bubb, what you said. Thank you very much.
Thank you.